How to use keyframes in CapCut. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch a CapCut application first, and then let's go ahead and add a project. Tap on New Project and select any project that you would like to work on. Then tap on to Next. Now, once you have added the project, first of all select the video, then you will see Keyframes button here. Tap onto it. And you can also place it wherever you would like. For instance, let's go ahead and place another one. Tap onto the video. As this icon will appear, tap onto it. Now, you can also minimize the size of the video to make it look more advanced. Do the same here. And just like so, this is how it will appear, and this is how you can use keyframes. That is all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.